नमस्कार. आयच्या डिबेटात तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. आज म्हजे एक पावर पॅक पॅनल आसा आनी विशय तसोच आसा. म्हणजे सर्वे जातकीरची पयली डिबेट आनी ताजे उपरांत खुबश्यो घडामोडी जाल्यो. अरविंद केजरीवाल गोंयांक आयलो, अमित शाह गोंयांक आयलो. कोण म्हणटा 35 सीट जिखतले, कोण म्हणटा 27 सीट जिखतले. आमचो सर्वे आनी कितें तरी म्हणटा. एवरीबडी हॅज अ रायट टू डिस्प्यूट अँड कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट आनी कॉन्टेस्ट अवर फायनल टॅली. बट देर आर सम ग्लेरिंग ट्रेंड्स emerging out of the survey which are very relevant and which are very logical. आणि एक वटेच्यान ह्यो पॉलिटिकल सभा सुरू जाल्यात. म्हाका दिसता चवथी उपरांत वातावरण खरे तरेन तापतलें. खंय वतलें हें वातावरण आनी सद्याची रिअलिस्टीक परिस्थिती कितें हाजेर आमी भासाभास करतात. चार मानेस्त म्हजे पयले आसात ते काँग्रेसीचे फुडारी आनी आमदार पांडुरंगबाब मडकयकार, स्वागत तुमचें. दुसरे आसात भाजपाचे फुडारी आनी आमदार मायकल लोबो, स्वागत. तिसरे आसात म्हजे बरोबर फातोड्डेचे आमदार आणि म्हाका दिसता तांची उतरां ह्या प्रोग्रामाक खूब म्हत्वाची, ते विजय सरदेसाय. आणि चवथे आसात आनी बरीच धुमशणां घाल्यात सध्या ते आम आदमी पार्टीचे ऑस्कर रिबेलो, स्वागत. विजय, आय विल स्टार्ट विथ यू. देर आर सम क्लियर मेसेजीस एमर्जिंग आउट ऑफ सर्वे आनी जाचेर लॉजिकली खुबदां तुमी उलयल्यात, आमी उलयल्यात. आनी एक वटेच्यान बीजेपीने अमित शाह हाडून एक कॅडराक चार्ज अप करपाचो प्रयत्न केला. आम आदमी पार्टी करता. Where does that leave factors like you, and how are you looking at post Ganesh Chaturthi strategy?
One thing with the survey, the election market has opened. One thing, the clear announcement. Before your survey came this survey of this Kautilya Tirth. Now this survey was very entertaining. Now survey is basically is about psephology. Psephology is supposed to be a branch of political science that deals with the study of elections. Now it's about scientific analysis of elections. It is not about entertaining analysis of elections.
Correct.
आता ही कौतिल्य तीर्थाची सर्वेन एंटरटेनमेंट सोसायटीचो चेअरमॅन जाणे तांकां 2015 इफीचो कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट दिला. तो मोस्ट पॉप्युलर बीजेपीचो कॅन्डिडेट अदर दॅन मनोहर पर्रीकर अशें म्हणून ते सर्वे दाखयता. म्हणटकर ही सर्वे आयदर ESG भितर बसून बरयल्या ओ ती साऊथ ब्लॉकान बरयल्या. आयदर ऑफ द टू. इट इज नॉट अ प्रॉपर सर्वे. That survey even had forced Aam Aadmi Party's Kejriwal and Ashutosh to delete tweets, which I think is a very rare occurrence. They wouldn't tweet something and then delete it. So अर्थ असो जाता की ती सर्वे हाडून तुमचे सर्वेचो म्हाका दिसता कितें दम आहा तो मातसो तुमकां पंक्चर करपाक ती सर्वे हाडिल्ली. सगळे असल्यो खूब सर्वे जातात. बिहारान सगळ्यो सर्वे चूक जाल्ल्यो आनी म्हाका खात्री आहा की हे खेपे सर्वे चूक जावपाक शकता. बट as a politician, I have to respect public sentiment. Public sentiment is that 65% of the people,
correct,
your survey says, are against BJP. But people need to come together. It can't be my way or the highway. However much you may say that you will get 35 seats and somebody else has 27 seats, then add korun amka khayच chance nothing. It is 62 out of 40. So it can't be 62 out of 40.
Correct.
So therefore, I think that the takeaway for us has to be that we need to come together. If we are not able to come together, we are not going to be able to give an alternative to the BJP. This is the takeaway.
You are saying that is the takeaway. Dotor किती दिसता? Vijay's thing is very clear. Ultimately, opposition needs to be united. कारण बीजेपीचे एक स्वतःचे स्ट्रक्चर आसा, एक ऑर्गनायझेशन आसा, आणि ते सामके सिस्टमॅटिकली दे अप्रोच द इलेक्शन विच दे हॅव स्टार्टेड. थंय ऑपोजिशनान जर युनायटेड रावले जाल्यार खूब गजाली जावपाक शकतात ज्यो तशे डिसइंटिग्रेटेड रावल्यार जावचे ना.
प्रमोद, हांव दुसरे वेगळेन हें समजावपाक सोदताना इट्स गुड दॅट आय हॅव गॉट दिस प्लॅटफॉर्म. कितें आशिल्लें जाणा, तूं आमचो ते फोन आशिल्ले पळय, ते लँडलायन आशिल्ले पळय तेन्ना, ते आमी उलयताले पळय, ते स्लो मॅसेजीस ट्रंक कॉल करून आनी करून आनी मागीर मोबायल आयले आनी लोकांक दिसलें आनी हे मोबायल बी चड करून बादचे ना ते. इट्स ऑल न्यू टॅक्नॉलॉजीज, रबीश. वील मोस्ट likely the landline will work. So the mobiles came on in a big way, the landlines almost died. Then smartphones came. They said, what smartphones and what Apple and other companies are never going to run. It's going to be a flop. Enough. This might have mobile communication enough. And smartphones were the disruptive technology that then overtook even the traditional mobile phone. And today we are in the era of smartphones and you don't know what will be the next disruptive technology. In the same way, the Aam Aadmi Party, which I think traditional political parties, traditional media like yours, and perhaps even us, are failing to understand that the Aam Aadmi Party represents a disruptive force in Indian electoral politics. So you may mock us, You may think that we are a bunch of fools. You may think that we are a bunch of idealists trying to achieve nothing. But there is traction on the ground. There is something completely unpredictable that is possible that can happen on the ground, which the traditional political parties, whether Goa Forward, Congress or BJP, are incapable of understanding. And hence, any alliance that the Aam Aadmi Party does with any of these traditional politics takes away the USP of the Aam Aadmi Party. So Aam Aadmi Party is not interested whether we win X number of seats, whether we win 0 seats or we win 35. Actually, we are going to win 35, but we don't want to say that too loudly, because then if we say that we are really going to win 35, then all these guys will actually start getting into action right now. We
So you want them to be a little
we want them
complacent.
to be a little complacent and
Okay.
start waking up only in December. But the point is that the Aam Aadmi Party electoral politics is very clearly run on clean funding and, most importantly, people driven. So this is something new that you have to understand.
And
All along,
and you're saying,
let me finish. Over the last 60 years or 70 years, our democracy has been a didactic democracy, has been a dictation. We have been ruled. So whether it is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, whether it's Indira Gandhi, whether it's Narendra Modi, whether it's Vajpayee, whether it's Manohar Parrikar, and now wishful thinking of Vijay Sardesai, it's ruling. I will tell you what is good. That road from Miramar to Donapal is bad, change it to concrete. Aam Aadmi Party is not asking for ruling, it is asking for governing. And for governing, everybody must talk, democracy must come into action. And to my mind, the traditional political parties will continue their money games, their muscle games, their alliances, their unholy and holy alliances, and all the rest of it. But we will be a people-driven party,
So-
and I think we will win. And if we lose, probably we are not yet ready for this true model of democracy in Goa.
ओके एक तांगे गजाल आहा की सगळ्यांनी एकठांय आयल्यारच बीजेपीक हालोवपाक जाता हो मेसेज क्लियर आहा सगळे कडेन पूण तांचे म्हणणे की आमी जर आयले तुमचे बरोबर जाल्यार देन इट डिफिट्स द होल पर्पज ऑफ बीइंग अ थर्ड फोर्स बीइंग अ व्हेरी युनिक फोर्स बीइंग अ व्हेरी बीइंग एन ऑल्टरनेटिव्ह फोर्स सो आणि तुमगेले तर कांयच अशें बरें जाता दिसना काँग्रेसीचें सो व्हॉट इज युअर प्लॅन व्हॉट इज युअर स्ट्रॅटजी इन दीस सिनारियो
प्रमोद एक गजाल लक्षात घेण्यासारखी या 2 महिन्या भितर 3 सर्वे झाले पहिली झाली तुझे गोवन्स पेपराची त्या न्यूजान म्हटलें की काँग्रेसी चडावन चड सीट मेळटले म्हणून आणि त्याच्या नंतर बाकीचे आणि त्याच्या नंतर मागीर कौतल्या तीर्थ त्यांची झाली त्यांच्यानी म्हटलें आपाक चड मेळटले म्हणून त्याच्या नंतर आता मागीर तुम्ही प्रुडंटान केली तुम्ही म्हटले बीजेपीक चड मेळटले हे तिनूय जे सर्वे आसा न्ही ते कॉन्ट्रडिक्टरी टू द इच सर्वे एक कितें म्हणजे एकूण जे पब्लीक जे आसा लोक आसा ते खंयचे सर्वेचेर विश्वास दवरपाचो लोक प्रत्यक्षात संभ्रमान पडलेले आसा तुम्ही तुमच्या पयर प्रुडंटान जेन्ना सर्वे केली तेन्ना तर धुमाकूच आलो कारण तुम्ही सारकी इतकी डिटेल सर्वे केल्ली म्हणजे विजया सारख्या सुद्धा म्हटल्यार तुम्ही ही इज इन डेंजर झोन महादेव नायकाक म्हटल्यार तुम्ही जर बीजेपी आणि जर एमजीपी सुद्धा एक जाल्यार तो येवंकूच शकना इट वॉज सो एग्रेसिव्ह हे आणि एक गजाल मानपा सारखी की तुम्ही जस्टिफिकेशन दिले की अशें कित्याक जावंक शकता दॅट वॉज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट पार्ट आणि एक सगळ्याहून जी महत्वाची गोष्ट एक लोकांक कन्विन्स जाली ती म्हणजे 65% लोकांचो व्यू असो आसा की बीजेपी परत नाका हो पॉयंट वॉज व्हेरी व्हॅलिड पॉयंट आणि त्याच पॉयंटाचेर आयचे आमचे डिस्कशन आसा तेच म्हणजे लोकांचं अशें मत आसा तुम्ही कितेंय करा सगळें एकठांय या पूण बीजेपी नाका अशें म्हणपी 65 लोक आसा आतां एकूण आमचे कडेन आसा विजय सरदेसाय काँग्रेस किंवा बाकीचे जे आमचे आप किंवा हे आसा आता कशे 65% लोकांक जाय ते कशे आमी लोकांक दिवप हो आमचो प्रश्न आसा आता काँग्रेसचे म्हणटा आसतना म्हाका तरी अशें दिसता म्हाजो हे सगळे भितर फॉरगेट अबाउट दीस सर्वेस अशें दिसता की मॅक्झिमम जे सीट गोंयांत येतले ते चडांत चड काँग्रेसचेच येतले ताका अनेक कारणां आसा ताका खूब वेळ
25-35 तुम्ही 25-35 बी उलयनात
खंयची काँग्रेस ती विश्वजीत काँग्रेस मागीर बाबूश काँग्रेस पांडुरंग काँग्रेस
इंडियन नॅशनल काँग्रेस बाबूश मडकयकर विश्वजीत हे सगळे काँग्रेसीचेर इलेक्शन लढतले कारण आता फक्त कितें हांवें काँग्रेसीन सुरवाती पासून हेच चल्लेलें आसा विजय
काँग्रेस बॅकवर्ड जावची ना
बाबुशाचें नांव घेतलें विजयाचें घेतलें ना
डेफिनेटली आता एक कितें लोक आमी एक अशें सिग्नल वचपाक जाय की बीजेपीच्या विरोधात आम्ही सगळे एकटे जाता
मायकल द थिंग इज व्हेरी क्लियर तांगेलें पण 65% लोक 65% people are not happy with you. The only thing that is saving you is that they are not united. The moment they come united, you are in big trouble.
सी आता सद्याक आमचे पोझिशन जे आम्ही बसल्या
हय
मायकल खंय आसा बीजेपीन
हय टील नाव
आम्ही जे
द स्टुडिओ
चार पॅनलिस्ट आम्ही जे बसल्या
हय
हे आम्ही म्हणूंक जाता वी आर ऑपोजिशन आप आणि बीजेपी
ओके
ते दोघूय काँग्रेस
डेफिनेटली वी विल बी इन द रुलिंग.
नो दे आर बोथ काँग्रेस तो फाटो काँग्रेसीचो
हा
तो फाट्याक गेल्या इलेक्शनाक कातरलो आणि तो सायडीक जल्माक येयला आणि ते आता कितें गोवा फॉरवर्ड म्हणून कितें तरी
आम आदमी
काडलें.
पार्टी बीजेपीचे सामके
हय वी आर द ऑपोजिशन
आणि ते कितें?
कशें म्हणपाचें
ना
की
ते
आप
नाच
आणि
येता त्या पळय हांव एक सांगता तुका आयचे
दादा, एक मिनिट, let him complete. दादा, let him complete.
टोटली रॉंग कित्याक
मायकला कशें म्हणपाचें हा
दिल्लीन
बीजेपी आणि
तुमचे
आप
बीजेपी
एक-
सरकार आसा म्हणजे
No, no, he is saying the contest is only with you.
वन मोमेंट दिल्लीन तुमचो सरकार आसा पळय तो तुमच्या भावांक आपांक दीस भितर घालीत आसा आणि कोर्ट आमकां
ना, ना, हांव कितें
No,
उलयतां
दादा, he is saying the only contest is with you, not with them.
कॉन्टेस्ट
Yeah.
वी आर नॉट टुगेदर.
we are contesting
The only
it.
contest is with you.
We are winning and they are losing.
No,
That I am not.
that people of Goa will decide.
Okay, but what is your point? What are they
See,
then?
they-
मला पडला एकच
हे
मिनिट
सगळे गेलेच घरा
तू किती तुम्ही
गोंयच्या
आणि आप
लोकांनी डिसिजन घेतलेले हा
किती तुम्ही आणि आप
काँग्रेसीक घरा धाडपाचे म्हणून.
किती तुम्ही आणि आप
ना
म्हणता
ना आप पार्टी वॉट एव्हर इट इज लेट अस बी व्हेरी फ्रँक टुडे दॅट आप पार्टी हॅज एंटर्ड इन टू द व्हॅक्युम ऑफ द काँग्रेस जे व्हॅक्युम जाल्लो 2012 ते 12 to I-16 दे हॅव एंटर्ड इन टू दॅट व्हॅक्युम अँड दे आर स्लोली ग्रोईंग. आणि जे काँग्रेस जे म्हणटाले ते आदले ट्रेडिशनल काँग्रेस आतांचे काँग्रेस आणि फाटे काँग्रेसीचे आमचो बाप विजय आमचो इश्ट पण तो फाटो काँग्रेसीचोच गोवा फॉरवर्ड म्हणूकूच जायना ती निक्ती रुजल्या पार्टी वी रिस्पेक्ट बट फायनली इट इज अ फाटो ऑफ काँग्रेस पीपल हॅव डिसायडेड टू शो देम द डो.
So the whatever is left is between
ना
BJP and आप.
सी बीजेपी पार्टी हॅज डिलिव्हर्ड टू द पीपल ऑफ गोवा. आयज आम्ही डिलिव्हरी दिल्ली हा विजय बाब म्हणटा जो 62 सीट्स कंबायन करून आमकां मेळतले ते रॉंग हा 26 ते उलटा ते जस्ट यू मेक
Okay, you have to make it ulta. Okay.
26 आमकां एमजी आणि बीजेपी म्हणून आमकां
Okay.
26
Vijay Babu, the point
विल
is-
बी इन द रुलिंग.
Okay, okay. Your point is very clear. मायकलाचो पॉईंट जावंक घेता जावं आणि ऑस्कराचो पॉईंट जो घेतलो जाल्यार ग्रँड अलायन्स बी म्हणटा ते एक बरें दिसता कॉन्सेप्च्युअली इट मायट लूक व्हेरी अट्रॅक्टिव्ह बट ऑन ग्राउंड इट डज नॉट लूक पॉसिबल.
Why?
Where does they are saying that there is no question of alliance and they are सामके going very aggressively in the field.
You tell me,
No,
I'll
no, no,
interrupt
no.
in 1 second. I'll interrupt. You tell me, alliance म्हणटा पळय ते कोणा वांगडा करपाचे?
हा.
कोणा वांगडा?
तुम्ही न्ही तुम्ही आमच्या वांगडा करपाचे.
ना, तेणी कोणा वांगडा करपाचे?
Okay,
म्हणजे
okay.
काँग्रेसाचे alliance करून जाता तुम्ही?
हा, okay.
काँग्रेस सगळे आता पळय बाबूश मुन्सरात काँग्रेस.
हय.
विश्वजित राणे जो म्हणटा तो इंडिपेंडेंट कितें ते 70 युवा मोर्चा काँग्रेस
हा.
तो काँग्रेसच न्हू म्हणजे ग्रँड अलायन्स बिटवीन द काँग्रेस.
Okay. Vijay.
How it is possible?
Okay, yeah. Very valid question. Okay. Vijay, I'll give you time to respond. Yeah. कशें? एक जर
नाही, एक पहिले म्हणल्यार
हय.
ऑस्कर सेज
हय.
दॅट ऑल्टरनेटिव्ह पॉलिटिकल फोर्स जो येता तो आप सो आप इज कम्पिटिंग नॉट टू क्रिएट अ ऑल्टरनेटिव्ह टू द बीजेपी टू fill the space, it appears, of being the alternative political force.
Correct.
It is not wanting to create an alternative to the present BJP government.
No, it is
No, it is.
I'll give you the chance.
One minute.
I'll give you a chance to respond. Okay. Let you finish first.
I will go verbatim on what Dr. Oscar has said.
Okay.
He says, don't take us to be a bunch of fools. I'm 100% saying they are not a bunch of fools. They are trying to make us fools, Goans fools.
No.
On one side, this AAP thrives on NGO culture. But when they go to the mining areas, they talk Vedanta language. Vedanta has made a statement that they will stop the mines in North Goa if the cap on iron ore is not removed from 20 million tons.
Now you know-
Kejriwal, 1 minute, let me complete.
let him finish.
Kejriwal is talked the same thing. Who makes you feel that this one Dilliwala is not financing the other Dilliwala?
Well,
1 minute, wait.
Okay. No,
Wait, 1 minute. I've got
You can
this thing.
note down the accusation.
Yeah, I'm making
I'll give you
accusation.
time. No, I'll give
One-
I will give time to everybody.
No, I'm
I'll
making an accusation that
Teen pro.
that not only the surveys,
Hय.
but even the BJP is very keen that AAP is seen to be the alternative. Why? Your chief minister is on record that if Kejriwal comes 3 times to Goa in a month, the BJP becomes more comfortable. So what it shows?
So we are, and we take pride in the fact that we are a disruptive political force against both the Congress and the BJP, which are two sides of the same traditional political coin. We have proven this in Delhi, where we whacked the pants out of the Congress and we whacked the pants out of the BJP and come 67-3. In Punjab, we are doing the same thing. We are whacking the hell out of the Shiromani Akali Dal as well as the Congress. So we are going against the traditional political paradigm. That is what Vijay doesn't seem to understand. He would have loved to be a part of AAP, but for various reasons, since he is cloaked in Congress terms,
He's
it
a
becomes
congressman.
Okay, Michael, wait. I'll
Next
come to
very
you.
important
Yeah.
point is about the mining factor. And I
Yeah.
think this has to be put on record, and has to be put on record very clearly. We don't take funding from mining companies as well as casino companies. There is no way you will find this happening to us. Now, in the mining belt, we believe in democracy. Doesn't mean to say that we will just sit with only the environmentalists and whatever the environmentalists say is gospel truth for us. There is very important things that Claude is saying, very important things that Ramesh Gauss is saying, which we take on board. But we also have to go to the mining belt and listen to those affected people. Of course, the affected people are part of the democracy. What are you supposed to say? Because they are unwashed people, we are not supposed to listen to them. So when it came to the whole 3,000 people there screaming for 35 million tons, what Arvind Kejriwal said, whether it is 15 million tons, 20 million tons or 35 million tons, this has to be proven scientifically. We have to go to the Supreme Court, and only if the Supreme Court gives the mandate, then only those tons will come out. And it will be green, sustainable mining with a model.
Third
So we
accusation.
are not against mining,
Yeah.
but it's a total canard to spread that we are with Vedanta or with any other group. Why? On the day that Arvind Kejriwal comes here on the 20th of thing, the same day Amit Shah comes here to try and
Who is
disrupt
Amit
it
Shah?
and
Okay,
to take
okay,
away the
okay,
headlines,
okay.
to take away the headlines of Arvind Kejriwal.
Okay.
The Aam Aadmi Party is a repository
Okay.
for Congress, BJP, MGP, and all other
Ek
political
gazal.
groups, as
One
long
thing,
as you
no,
are
one
not
thing is clear.
internal.
One thing is very clear. They are saying that we are the disruptive force. We are going to challenge the traditional paradigm of politics. अशा परिस्थिती भितर युनायटेड ऑपोजिशन जायना.
एक गजाल सांग ना आमचे डॉक्टर जे उलयला
हय.
ते युनायटेड ऑपोजिशन जायना म्हणटात ते ताका कारण आसा
हय.
कारण दे आर द मोस्ट हिपोक्रेट्स आप इज द मोस्ट हिपोक्रेट्स एक ते बीजेपीचेर हांगा येता भरपूर तासता पूण ते कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीनी जेन्ना काम करता लोकां कडेन जेन्ना ग्राउंड लेवलाचेर वयता ज्या जाग्याचेर काँग्रेस वोट आसा आनी जास्त करून ज्या जाग्यार मायनॉरिटी वोट्स आसा थंयसरूच ते वोट काडपाचे प्रयत्न करतात. लोक आता उलोवपाक लागलेले आसा
हय.
की आप जे आसा आपाचे जर काम पळयत लोक गोंयचे पिशेना ते खंय वयता खंयच्या लोकां कडेन वयता कोणाक कन्विन्स करपाक
So तुम्ही तांचे intention काँग्रेसीक damage करपाक.
हे अजूनय कॅजिनोचेर काय उलयना नाका थंय तर बावटे घेवन नाका तुजेर तर हें घालून नासता कॅजिनोचेर स्ट्रॉंगली कित्याक येना
कित्याक कॅजिनो तुम्ही हाडल्या?
तुम्ही मायनिंगाचेर स्ट्रॉंगली कित्याक येना
तुम्ही हाडल्या केन्ना? तुम्ही सरकार
आम्ही हाडला
आशिल्ले-
तुम्ही बंद करा
तुम्ही
न्ही तर तुम्ही
सरकार
त्या
आशिल्ले
हाचेर कित्याक
बद्दल कितें केलें?
तुम्ही आप तुम्ही त्या हाचेर कित्याक उलयना
2007 to
लोकांक जाय
2012
ते-
लोक जॉब मारतात.
तुम्ही
No, the point is-
सरकारान
तुम्ही-
आशिल्ले पळय तेन्ना कितें केलें?
तुम्ही-
आमी सरकारान ना.
आप comfortably आपल्याक जाय तो इश्यू घेता पब्लिकाक जाय ते इश्यू
पाडून
घेता.
बाब.
सरकारान आशिल्ले पळय विजय
No.
सरदेसाय 2007 and 2012 was the kingmaker in many issues of Congress.
Right.
Where was he?
Okay.
Where is
Okay, okay, okay.
against regional plans,
बरें.
against
Yeah.
casinos and against
आपाचें
mining.
काम अशें चाललेलें आसा
सरकारान तुम्ही आशिल्ले
No, no.
पळय कितें केलें?
आपाचें काम अशें चाललेलें आसा जणू काय
ना,
तांणे
ना,
बीजेपीन
opposition
एंगेज
आसा
केल्लें
कितें
आसा
Okay.
म्हणटा?
Wait, brother.
सरकारान कितें केलें?
I'll take Michael and welcome. Michael, all this situation.
सरकारान कितें केलें पळय तें
Sure,
सरकारान.
sure. Michael,
Sabto आसा
this
पळय
this this situation makes you very happy.
No,
Makes you more comfortable,
See,
as all of them are saying.
No, this situation
You're smiling. You're the only one smiling on this panel.
ना हांव इतलेंच म्हणूंक सोदता की गोंयच्या लोकांक 4.5 वर्सां आमच्या सरकाराचें काम पळयल्लें आमकां बॉब मारून सांगपाची गरज ना आमी जितकी उतरां दिल्ली तितकी केली
सगळे यू टर्न
ना यू टर्नाचे उलयत नाका मायनिंग
65%
बेल्ट
not happy.
मायनिंग बेल्टाचेर आमी मानता की मायनिंग सस्पेंड केले इसी क्लियरन्स तेणी काडलो काँग्रेसीन ओके एनवायरमेंटल क्लियरन्स स्टॉप जालो सगळे मायनिंग ठप्प जाले सगळे रेट पडली आयज रेट स्लोली जेन्ना वाडटली तेन्ना मायनिंग स्टेबिलायज जातले तेन्ना पासून मायनिंग स्टेबिलायज जावपाचें ना जी रेट आमकां मेळपाक जाय जी ट्रकवाल्याक मेळपाक जाय जी कामदाराक मेळपाक जाय जी कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक मेळपाक जाय See, garbage is a problem. As in North Goa, I will tell. I will speak. Give me. I'll tell you in 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Garbage problem we have tried to solve in North Goa, and we have also accomplished. आमचो येवन बेल्ट आमचो येवन आमच्या दोतोराक येवन पळोवनी the garbage plant what we have put up on the Kalangut plateau. Let him come and see how much garbage comes, how it is being. Similar plants have to be replicated in 3 other places in Goa. In South Goa, one in the.
Michael,
in
your
Tiswadi.
point is you are
Second-
delivered. You don't need to shout and tell
Yeah.
people that you are delivered. मागे एकच गजाल सांगात, अशी परिस्थिती भितर व्हेरी फ्रँकली ती गोवा फॉरवर्ड जावं काँग्रेस जावं you people are most concerned about what Aam Aadmi Party is doing. For very frankly, तांकां समजा 4 सीट आयले किंवा 35 सीट आयले, they are anyway going to be something plus. सीट आयले ना पण मत पडली जाल्यार सुद्धा they are going to be plus. Whereas you have something to lose. They have nothing to lose. They have everything to gain.
Yeah.
Is that the most worrying factor right now?
No, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Let us go by what Dr. Oscar says. He says that AAP is a disruptive force. They have proven in Goa that they are disruptive. Go by the Lok Sabha election. They fielded that Swati Kerkar. She split Reginald's votes and got whom elected? Savoykar. Where is Swati Kerkar today? She is in the Congress. So that person also is gone. Take an example at the Delhi level of Dharmavir Gandhi from Patiala, MP from them. What is his statement today? He says, I don't bother for AAP, I bother for Punjab. Which means that AAP is a Delhi Darbar party. I have never criticized AAP. But now the point is, the AAP says that it is my way or the highway. AAP wants 6% of the vote minimum to become a recognized national party. They are not bothered about whether BJP comes to power or not. They are not bothered. They are not bothered about the result. And they want to prove that they are a disruptive force. They are bothered about the 2022 election, not 17. 17 they may be having a setting or they may not be having a setting. I am not trying to put accusation, that type of accusation. But the way they are behaving, when it is very clear that this disruptive force
point is
disrupting. What happened in Lok Sabha? No, doctor, you can't be Cabral. You can't be Cabral. Nilesh Cabral has got that singular patent to disrupt. You are disrupting me. You can't be this type of disruptive force. No. Dr. Oscar is not expected to disrupt me.
Okay.
This becomes Cabral, Dr. Cabral.
Disruptive to the traditional
Alright, but what is the use? You got Savoykar elected.
No, Vijay,
You got Savoykar elected.
Vijay, the point
It
is-
is Remo took.
defeated.
You put Remo is gone and staying in Portugal. There is no Remo, there is no Swati,
No.
and you
Vijay,
got
Vijay,
Savoykar
Vijay,
elected.
no,
It
Vijay,
is
Vijay.
yours.
हांव एक आता क्लॅरिफिकेशन करता हितून
Why?
they
That
always
was the
talk.
Modi way.
Congress always talks about traditional minority. हे ते कितें पळय ते minority.
So that
आम्ही
means
कोण आता
that- no,
आम्ही
that
कितें
is-
घाटावरसून
this is
येयले
Pramod-
आम्ही मायनॉरिटी
Pramod,
आयज बीजेपीन 100 जाण मायनॉरिटींक सीट दिले फुडल्या फावटी आम्ही 7 नाल्यार 8 दिवपाच्या
Michael.
देर इज नो मायनॉरिटी नो मेजॉरिटी वी बिलीव इन इक्वेलिटी
The Congress
Minority
thinks that it has got a monopoly on the minority
Ah,
vote.
this
And
is-
that cattle,
this is what-
that herd of cattle is there. The problem is that
they-
herd of cattle has broken free, has got its own independent mind and is not going with the BJP because you, the BJP, have also
Okay,
defeated.
okay.
They are
Mike,
coming
Padova,
to-
yeah.
And
Yeah, let me
Lendu
speak.
community,
Let him
Lendu
speak.
community, which the BJP also thinks
Let
that
him
they are
speak.
herd of cattle, they are breaking
Okay,
free and
okay,
coming to us.
okay. Your point. Okay.
एक फॅक्ट सांगता
हय.
मायकल म्हणटा पळय न्हू, 6 मायनॉरिटीचे लास्ट टाइम निवडून दिल्ले
हय.
इट्स अ फॅक्ट ऑल्सो
हय.
लोकांनी ज्या मायनॉरिटीच्या लोकांनी या आशेन बीजेपीक तांकां निवडून दिल्ले की ते काँग्रेसपेक्षा कितें तरी वेगळे आसतले म्हणून आनी तेंचे कडेन बरे होप्स आशिल्ले. शेवटी बीजेपीन त्यांच्या कानान घातल्या मायनॉरिटीच्या आणि शेवटी बीजेपी एका मायनॉरिटी गोंयच्या कळ्ळें की तेंच्यांनी मिस्टेक केली बीजेपी बरोबर वोटिंग दिवन. बीजेपीन मायनॉरिटीचे वोट्स घेवपाक 6 सीट दिले हांकां कारण त्यांच्या नांवान बीजेपीक वोट्स पडपाक जाय म्हणून. लोक तांकां बुल्ले बी मतांय बी मारली पण थोड्याच वेळान लोकांक कळ्ळें की आमी चूक जाली म्हणून.
चूक जातकीर दोतोर म्हणटा की
खूप उलयले डॉक्टर
ओके.
सो बीजेपी कळून चुकलें की आता हे मायनॉरिटी लोक आसा ते परत गोईंग बॅक टू काँग्रेस त्या खातीर आपाक फुडें काडले आता तेंच्यांनी आपाक फुडें काडले हे वोट तुम्ही ब्लॉक करा.
एक मिनिट
आता प्रमोद
प्रमोदजी,
Okay, I'll give you a chance. Okay. Final.
मागीर हांव गप्प बसतां.
Okay, final. Yeah,
एक
final.
गप्प बसतां.
Final. Yeah.
पांडुरंगान कितें म्हणलां पळय तें खरें.
हय.
मायनॉरिटी वोट्सांक minority votes which were traditionally bullied by the Congress
Yeah.
and captive by the Congress broke free in 2012 and came to the BJP because the BJP promised them utopia. Correct? Very good. The majority vote was also given these tricks and said, we are going to give you Hindu Raj, Hindutva, God knows what, good governance, Suraj and all the rest of it. And that also came to the BJP vote. The problem is that both the Congress and the BJP, the people of Goa, whether Hindu, Catholic or Muslim, have realized that they've been hoodwinked, hook, line and sinker, and so therefore they're going to ditch both of them, Congress
Okay.
as well as
Okay.
BJP, and come to AAP.
फायनल म्हाका एकच गजाल सांग इन ऑल दिस सिनारियो युनायटेड ओपोजिशन इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी और इम्पॉसिबिलिटी
कोणाची opposition?
डोंट डिसरप्ट
Disruption was with them, not with you.
ओके
See, one thing is BJP made minority leaders like him
Yeah.
into altar boys.
छे.
They are not
don't disrupt. Yeah.
Disruption is
I
for
will
them.
come to you, Ni.
And today's program
Right.
achieved one big thing. What it achieved? That they are together physically and politically.
Okay.
It has achieved. Physically they are together. They are on one side. But they are not criticizing each other. They are criticizing us.
Don't disrupt.
Many people are
Today's
accusing me.
program has achieved this.
Many people are accusing me of being like you. You have been disrupting assembly time and time again.
I have been disrupted by Khabra.
Okay, okay. No, फायनल म्हाका पांढरवा एकच सांगात ह्या परिस्थिती भितर युनायटेड तुम्ही सुरुवातच तशी केली 65% लोक तुमच्या अगेन्स्ट असतात पण ह्या 65% लोकांक एकठांय कशें हाडप ही चॅलेंज तुमकां शक्य आसा शक्य आसा Yeah, शक्य आहा.
क्लॅरिफाय दिस
हय.
सी ए फॅक्ट इज फॅक्ट आय टेल हाव इट इज आम्ही पहिलीच माझी सुरुवात करता अशें म्हटलेलें आहे की हांवें 21 जातले काँग्रेसच्या 22 जातले अशें म्हणूना
हय.
माझे अशें म्हणणें आसा आणि ते इट इज ट्रूथ ऑल्सो की मॅक्झिमम सीट हे काँग्रेसचे येतले आणि त्या बरोबर काँग्रेसीक एक जाण जाल्ली आसा तुमचे ते प्रुडंट रिपोर्टा वयल्यान किंवा बाकीचे सर्वे वयल्यान एक जाण जाल्ली आसा की काँग्रेसीक आमकां जे कोण आमचे पळय समविचारी आसा अशा लोकांची आमकां गरज लागतली आणि त्या खातीर आमकां विजय सारखे किंवा आमचो रोहन आसा आमचो मागीर बाबू शास्वेत नरेश शास्वेत किंवा आनीक लायक मायंडेड लोक आसा न्ही त्या लोकांची आमकां गरज लागतली आणि ज्या वेळार टायम येतलो त्या वेळार आमी तेंचे कडेन उलोवपाक
सुरवात करतले. ओके, ओके.
हे करतले कारण लोकांचे इच्छा जी आसा लोकांक जे विशीस आसा आणि जो फॅक्ट आसा की बीजेपीक जर पयस दवरतले जाल्यार आमी सगळ्यांनी एकठांय येवपाक जाय.
मायकल फायनल थिंग ओनली ओपोजिशन टुगेदर इज अ थ्रेट टू यू अदरवाइज यू आर कम्फर्टेबल.
See, I do not consider them as opposition.
You consider
See,
them as ruling?
No. I जे हांव BJP rulingan ha with MGP, we do not consider them as opposition because they are not opposition.
But we also don't consider it as ruling house. He is opposition.
They आता independent separate.
Congress,
Congress is not opposition.
Okay.
You see the performance in the assembly.
No, united opposition is the only threat to you.
United opposition is
the only threat to
see,
you.
there is no threat to BJP at all. BJP delivery दिल्ली हा लोकांक आणि कसले तरी लिडरशिप जाय आणि कसले तरी आणि कसले तरी जाय नो कसले तरी जाय कितें मागता पळय तितले दिला आमी कितें मागता तितले दिला.
Threat to the BJP is the BJP itself.
बीजेपी इटसेल्फ हांव हाजेर थांबता म्हाका दिसता चडूच खडाजंगी जाली. महत्वाची गजाल कांय मेसेजीस जे आयल्यात सर्वेंतल्यान ते क्लियर आसात आणि लोकांचे म्हणणे क्लियर आसा. देर इज अ स्ट्रॉंग एंटी इनकम्बन्सी अगेन्स्ट द गव्हर्नमेंट बट यू डोंट हॅव अ पॉलिटिकल अलायन्स and even if you say AAP is growing, they still don't have a leader who can capitalize on the anti-incumbency. Unless all these opposition forces put their act together, that anti-incumbency is never going to get converted into sizable winning votes. ते कित जातले म्हाका दिसता चवथी उपरांत सगळी धामधूम सुरू जातली पण हातूंतल्यान आयची डिबेटींतल्यान तुमकां बरोच अंदाज आयलो आसतलो की कितें जावपाक शकता ते जाता ते गोंयचे बऱ्याचे जावचे इतलेंच मागता आनी थांबता. तुमी आयले इतली बरे तरेन मत मांडली. थँक्स अ लॉट. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.